Hi there, students. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is extreme exaggeration, extreme overstatement for effect. Hyperbole is a way of couching an idea in terms that are so extreme that you can't take them literally. Yeah? Hyperbole is when somebody uses a phrase that is so exaggerated you can't take it literally. So, I'm so ugly my face would stop a clock. It's a good example of hyperbole. Yeah? Nobody's ugly face is going to stop a clock. But this gives effect, it emphasizes the idea. Yeah, but you can't take it literally. She gave me thousands of kisses. Well, if you count them, they were probably 27. But thousands. This is hyperbole. This is extreme exaggeration to draw attention to the fact that it was a large number. I will wait for you forever. Well, forever? I'm not going to live forever. So, hyperbole. Hyperbole is a rhetorical device. Yeah? It's a way of adding or drawing attention to what you're saying. They also sometimes call this auxasis, but that's a much rarer word. Okay, so hyperbole, hype. This bag of shopping weighs a ton. Well, it probably weighs 17 kilos, but not a ton. I was scared to death. Well, I was very frightened, but I didn't die. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Well, yeah, horse meat can be alright, but I'm not going to eat a whole horse. You could have knocked me down with a feather. I was extremely surprised, but I don't know if you've ever tried knocking someone down with a feather. That joke you told is as old as the hills. Well, I think those hills are about 100 million years old. So, it's hyperbole. His brain is the size of a pea. I'm saying he's stupid, but it's not that big. It's probably normal sized. It's raining men. Hallelujah. Well, it's not raining men, but I think that she's got lots of potential boyfriends. Yeah? So, hyperbole, a rhetorical device, extreme exaggeration or overstatement of something. It comes from Greek. Hyper, above, and balein, or ballo, throw. Balein, to throw. Ballo, I throw. Don't confuse hyperbole with a hyperbola, which is a type of curve. Okay? So, hyperbole, a rhetorical device using extreme exaggeration and not meant to be taken literally. So, what about formality? I would probably give it something like a 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't use the word hyperbole in a conversation in the pub. I'd just say exaggeration, overstatement. But for something semi-formal or a formal writing, hyperbole is a great word to use, and it might be a great technique to use in your writing as well, because it draws attention to it. So, hyperbole, extreme exaggeration. Yeah? I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Well, actually, I'd rather have a nice piece of fish and no more. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, and millions of thanks to all of you. No, 387 thanks.